What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. That just helps our channel get to more people and grow. So in today's video, we have a sectional, and then we have a couch that came from out of our house. We basically just gave our mom one of the couches we had, and then she gave us her set. One of the other couches were broken, so we just basically gave that one away. It was just a little love seat. This couch right here has some stitching that needs to be done. As y'all can see, I don't know what happened to it, but probably just gonna something like that. Get our grandma to sew it. And then it's another hole right here. This couch was only like $30, right?
Yeah, I paid $50 for it.
Yeah, the couch was only $50 for a section, and just these little ribs. So yeah, it's gonna have to need some modifications, but it's all good. And then
there's another hole right here.
Fat hole right here.
But like, it's gonna, once it gets sewn in, it's gonna.
Yeah, but other than that, the sectional was good. We just need to clean it real quick. So right now we're just gonna record us cleaning this sectional, and then tomorrow we're gonna go get another sectional. Alright guys, we just got done finishing with this part of the sectional. It got really clean. We're not gonna record us cleaning this one because that just takes too long. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this ottoman, and then I'm gonna take these cushion covers off and put them in the washer. And this couch we're gonna clean tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright guys, so we got that spot out where the candle wax was. Right here. And over here it got out too. So if you ever have candle wax in a couch, just get an iron and paper towel. It'll work. See, there's the stain right there. Are they coming out? What's up guys, it's the next day, and right now we're about to take these off and put them in the washer, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this couch right here and take these off and put them in the washer too. Alright guys, we just got done putting the covers for this section on the washer. Right now I'm about to clean this couch. It is a little dirty, like on the arms and right here, but all this is gonna come off once I get that pistol. Over here, here's that section with all the rips. It looks a lot better. My grandma sewed it up yesterday, and it looks way better. All over here. And there was a hole over here. She got it, but if you come over there, and she sewed that in.
Yeah, barely noticeable.
Yeah, so I said we can get about $750 out of it now. got done with this couch. It's already looking way better. It got really clean. And right now I'm going to take these off and put them in a washer.
All right, guys, so we got all the cushions on the pillows, and we're about to bring the couch out here and put the pillows on the couch and stage it.
We have the couch staged now, and now we're about to put it on Marketplace. I think we're gonna post it for about $750. I think that's a good price.
Yeah, and it does have a little burn hole right here that we didn't see. So yeah, we just make sure you mention that. We're not gonna too much worried about it if somebody try to talk us down, because we did only get this for $50. So yeah, we be in profit either way it goes. Alright guys, so right now we're putting out this couch, going ahead and staging it. It actually came pretty clean from what it was. Doesn't really look that bad. How much you think you're gonna put this on here for?
400.
So we're gonna put this couch on here for $400. Guys, so we just got done dropping off the bluish grayish sectional and then the beige sofa. Today we made about
$1,100.
Yeah, $1,100. Last night we picked this up.
We bought this for $350. We're gonna probably try to sell it for about $900 to $1,000.
Yeah,
if we can get it clean.
I think that'd be a good price, because we just literally sold that one that we got for $50 for it. Was it
$800?
$800. So yeah, this is a little bit newer than. We don't gotta do any stitching or anything. It's basically in good condition. The girl just had a baby, so it's like some formula, whatever this is on it.
Yeah,
And
it's not really that dirty.
Yeah, other than that, it's good. So yeah, we're just gonna clean this up a little bit later on, and then we're gonna keep looking for some more couches before this week ends.
All right, guys, right now we're about to clean this sectional.
Alright guys, so the couch is all clean. It looks way better. No more dirt on the couch. Now all we gotta do is just put those covers in the washer and then put them on the couch, and then tomorrow in the morning we're gonna stage the couch and put it on Marketplace.
All right, guys, it is now the next day. We sold this sectional for $850. We sold this one for $800, and we sold this one for $400. That brought us up to $2,050 in a week. The week is now over, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank, and see, you just threw me off. I have this shit. What's good, guys? Man? It's your boy. It's your boy Tank in the bed. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button. That just helps the video get to more people. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. It's okay. Fuck it. I'm just going straight through. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. That just helps the video get, or our channel get. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tank. If you new to this channel, just make your
All right, let's just restart.